In this video we are going to share with you how to determine if you are made to run an internet business. Please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you stop missing out on important updates. Many people would like to have their own internet business. They like the idea of being their own boss. They like the idea to work from their home office. They like the idea of making a substantial income of around $10,000 plus a month. Does this sound tempting to you? If yes, it is important to ask yourself some question before thinking about running an internet business. Do you really want to work from your home office? Many like the benefits of an internet business, but few take into account the hard work that must be made to succeed with a business. Please don't make this mistake yourself. Are you able and willing to invest time and effort even when you don't see direct result for maybe some months? Are you the type to discipline yourself to work every day? Are you willing to learn and to follow training? Can you motivate yourself every day for months and years to come? Self-determination. You need to possess the ability to push yourself ahead. Your drive and determination will be reinforced with every new sale. To really succeed with your internet business, you need to have clear goals and a business plan. You need to know where your business is going. You also need to put lots of time and effort to accelerate your business growth. Running an internet business demands a lot of skills like computer knowledge, of course, marketing skills like copywriting and advertising, website design and development, etc. By learning and experimenting you will gain lots of experience. When you have lots of experience you become an expert in your field, which is a great thing for your business. You are the master of your destiny now. Isn't it great to be your own boss? Working for yourself and taking all the decision. You are the master now. You have the drive, you have the determination. You have the patience to see your business grow day by day, month after month. Don't wait for everything to be exactly right to start. There will never be a perfect time. Start now, with whatever you have. The things you need will come to you as you work toward your goal. If something bad happened, you have the humility to see what's wrong and learn from your error. You are the only one now responsible for yourself. Treat your business as a serious, full-time business, and it will become one. In conclusion, think of your first 6 months primarily as a training period. Don't expect large earnings until after you've educated yourself. Even the most dynamic, highest-earning entrepreneurs in the industry took months to begin seeing an income of any real significance. Don't be a negative thinker and don't let the negative attitudes of others, even if they're family members, friends, or peers, influence you. All the great men and women in history had to overcome the naysayers who said it couldn't be done, and then went out and did it. Think for yourself. As long as you think positive and focused on your business target, you're on the right way to a rich life, which is directed by you, and it will lead you to tremendous success. Thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate you. Tell us what you think in the comment and like and share this video to anyone you think it is helpful to. Don't forget to grab our extra bonuses prepared for you in the description. We will see you in the next video.